Continuous integration, CI, and continuous delivery, CD, are pivotal practices in modern software development that have transformed the way teams build, test, and deploy applications. These methodologies, which emphasize automation and collaboration, are designed to enhance the software delivery process, improve code quality, and accelerate time to market. By integrating CI/CD into their workflows, organizations can achieve greater efficiency, reduce risks, and respond more swiftly to customer needs. As we delve into the principles and practices of CI/CD, it becomes clear that these methodologies are not just technical processes. They represent a fundamental shift in how teams approach software development and delivery. The concept of continuous integration originated in the early 2000s as a response to the challenges of traditional software development practices. In the past, developers often worked in isolation, making changes to code and integrating them into the main codebase infrequently. This approach led to long development cycles, increased complexity, and a higher likelihood of integration issues. Continuous integration addresses these challenges by encouraging developers to integrate their code changes into a shared repository multiple times a day. Each integration triggers automated builds and tests, allowing teams to detect issues early in the development process. The benefits of CI are manifold. By integrating code changes frequently, teams can identify and resolve conflicts quickly, reducing the risk of major integration problems later in the development cycle. Automated testing is a critical component of CI, as it ensures that new code does not introduce regressions or bugs. This practice not only improves code quality, but also fosters a culture of accountability, as developers are encouraged to write tests for their code. The feedback loop created by CI enables teams to iterate rapidly, making it easier to adapt to changing requirements and deliver value to customers more efficiently. Continuous delivery builds upon the principles of continuous integration, extending the automation and collaboration into the deployment phase of the software development lifecycle. The goal of continuous delivery is to ensure that code changes can be deployed to production at any time with minimal manual intervention. This practice enables organizations to release new features and updates to customers quickly and reliably, enhancing their ability to respond to market demands and user feedback. To implement continuous delivery effectively, organizations must establish a robust deployment pipeline. This pipeline encompasses a series of automated processes that take code changes from development through testing and into production. Key stages of the pipeline include automated builds, testing, staging, and deployment. By automating these processes, teams can ensure that code changes are consistently and reliably deployed, minimizing the risk of human error. One of the critical benefits of continuous delivery is the ability to release software updates frequently and with confidence. This frequent release cycle allows organizations to gather feedback from users more rapidly, enabling them to make informed decisions about future development. Additionally, continuous delivery reduces the complexity and risk associated with large releases, as smaller, incremental updates are easier to test and roll back if necessary. This approach fosters a culture of experimentation and innovation, as teams can iterate on their products based on real-world feedback. The integration of continuous integration and continuous delivery into an organization's workflow also necessitates a shift in team dynamics and culture. Successful implementation of CI/CD practices requires collaboration between development, operations, and quality assurance teams. Cross-functional teams that work together throughout the software lifecycle can identify bottlenecks, streamline processes, and ensure that quality is maintained at every stage. This collaborative approach not only enhances communication, but also promotes a sense of shared responsibility for the success of the software. As organizations adopt CIRCD practices, they may encounter challenges related to legacy systems, resistance to change, and the need for cultural transformation. Overcoming these challenges requires strong leadership support, clear communication, and a commitment to fostering a collaborative culture. Organizations must also invest in training and skill development to equip team members with the knowledge and tools needed to succeed in a CI/CD environment. By addressing these challenges head-on, organizations can create a foundation for successful CI/CD adoption. The tools and technologies that support CI/CD have also evolved significantly, providing teams with a wide range of options to automate their processes. Popular CI/CD tools such as Jenkins, GitLab CI, Circle CI, and Travis CI enable teams to implement automated builds, testing, and deployment pipelines seamlessly. Additionally, containerization technologies like Docker and orchestration platforms like Kubernetes have further enhanced the CI/CD process by providing consistent environments for development, testing, and production. The impact of CI/CD extends beyond individual organizations. It has the potential to reshape entire industries. As companies adopt CI/CD practices, they become more agile and responsive, enabling them to compete more effectively in the digital age. This shift has led to the emergence of new business models, innovative products, and enhanced customer experiences. The principles of CI/CD are also being applied beyond software development, influencing areas such as product management, marketing, and even customer support. Looking to the future, the evolution of CI/CD is likely to continue, driven by advancements in technology and changing business needs. The rise of artificial intelligence and machine learning is expected to play a significant role in the future of CI/CD, enabling organizations to leverage data-driven insights for decision-making and automation. Additionally, the increasing adoption of cloud-native architectures and microservices will further enhance the agility and scalability of CI/CD practices. In conclusion, continuous integration and continuous delivery represent a transformative approach that has reshaped the landscape of software development and deployment. By fostering collaboration, embracing automation, and prioritizing continuous feedback, organizations can achieve greater efficiency, reduce risks, and deliver high-quality software at an accelerated pace. The cultural shift associated with CI/CD promotes a sense of ownership and accountability among team members, driving innovation and resilience. As organizations continue to adopt and refine CI/CD practices, they will unlock new opportunities for growth and success in an increasingly competitive digital landscape. The future of CI/CD holds great promise, and by embracing these principles, organizations can navigate the complexities of modern software development and thrive in the digital age.